How to turn off location on Facebook Marketplace. Open the Facebook app on your smartphone or go to facebook.com on your computer and log in. Tap or click on the Marketplace icon to open Facebook Marketplace. Look for your current location displayed near the top of the Marketplace page, usually with a small map pin icon, and click or tap on it. A box will pop up allowing you to change or update your location, clear any set location, to deactivate it, or move the radius slider all the way to 0. If you want to completely stop sharing location data, go back to your Facebook main menu, then tap or click Settings and Privacy, followed by Settings. Scroll down to the Location section under your activity or privacy settings and tap or click it. Select Location Access and choose to deny or turn off location permissions for Facebook in your device's settings. On mobile devices, this will redirect you to your phone's location permission settings, where you can choose never or deny location access for Facebook. For desktop, adjust your browser's location access permissions to block Facebook from detecting your location. After these steps, Facebook Marketplace will no longer use your device's location to show listings near you. If you want to browse listings in different locations without sharing your actual location, manually enter the city or zip code in the Marketplace location search for browsing. Subscribe.